Yo, 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 yo. Get this a lane. All right. I think we're good. We're good. Yeah, what's going on, guys? What is going on? All right. Yo, what's up, Speedy? What up, brother? Hope you're doing good, my man. Hope you're doing swell. What is up? News prices? Yeah. Seen that a little bit ago, too. Market be cray already, man. Yo, what's up, Mark? What up? What's up, James? What up, Mike? What up, Sully? What up, Refreshing? we're all good, man. Yo, nice, dude, nice. Discord has been taken down. Yeah, I don't know about that, Refreshing. I don't know. Somebody said he was. Yeah, I don't know. Don't know. Don't really. Yeah. Yo, what's up, Brandon? Brando, what's up, brother? Reporting for duty. Yes. Let's do this, man. Yo, thank you so much, Brian. Thank you so much, Brian. Thank you so much for the first tip of the day. Starting the day off right, baby. Hope you're doing well, bro. Hope everybody is doing a swell. Boom. Did it. I think we're good. There we go. Posted it, man. Posting it. AMC looking scary, dude. Yeah, I think everything just dropped out the barrel. Other than like GoEV right here. Well, I guess Canoe did really good too. And Neo did decent for a second. Looks like Canoe is just got a little stairway to heaven over here. Let's pull up. Pull. There we go. Looking for this. Good morning, man. Good morning, everybody. Go, little Neo, go. Pretty much me right now, too, dude. Gotta coach it up over here. Let's see, where's it at right now? 37.93. Okay. I'm calm. Go to the 1 minute chart. The 1 minute chart. Alright. We'll watch right here, man. Neo looking pretty good though. Let's put up Canoe real quick. Canoe's got that. Canoe's definitely being very bullish right now, that's for sure. I don't know how long that's gonna last though, but you should have put a 10%. You should have put a 5 or 10% stop loss on CTRM, honestly, since it is a penny stock. I think eventually it'll come back up, but I think what I would have done was, like I always say to do, like on a penny stock, put like a 5% stop loss, and if it kicks you, and then just try to find the bottom and then buy back in if you want to. Then, honestly, stinks that they did that stock offering, man. Is it really hurt the price? Obviously. Yo, what's up, early trader? How you doing, man? What's up, Lily? Hope you're doing well today. Hope you're doing well. What's up, Mike? What up, brother? Hope you're doing good. What's up, Joey? What up, Steven? What up, brother? What up, man? Hope everybody's having a great day today. Somebody said he was doing stuff in Discord. I don't really know. Like I said, I don't know Matt. So I have no idea what he does, or like I said, I think I heard of him like once or twice in the channel a couple times, but other than that, I don't really know him. So somebody said that like something about like he said like when things were good to buy, like in terms of like getting into like a scalp or something like that. If he did that, then obviously it's kind of a violation. Can't really do that anyway. The hell? Like I said, I don't know the whole situation though, so I don't really know much about it. I'm guessing that might be the reason why. Might be the reason why. I don't know. So I don't. Like I said, it's a speculation at that point. I don't know, man. I don't really know the guy. I've never watched his channel, so you'd be definitely talking to the wrong person here. I just know what people said in Discord. I mean, if he's done that, then it's, you know, that's definitely against. It's definitely against. Kind of like it's kind of like the same things as like, you know, pump and dump kind of things, right? The SEC does not like that. There's a reason why you don't see me doing that, by the way, guys. But again, I don't know how long they've been in the market either. You know what I mean? They're younger people, right? Like I think somebody said Trey had been in the market for like 3 months, 4 months. Like I said, I don't know these guys at all, so if that's true, if those things are true, then, you know, you can't do those things. The reason why I don't do those things, I don't want to get in trouble. I don't want to get sued. There's also a lot of reasons why I don't lie about AMC. Because I can also get in trouble by lying about a stock. Because then you're almost into like a stock Ponzi kind of scheme thing. You know what I mean? Like if I sat here and told you guys that AMC was definitely going to, you know, rocket to the moon, then I can also get in trouble for that, right? There's areas where you have to, like, you got to know your boundaries, not push them, right? And like I said, I don't know these guys. If that's the reason, then, you know, obviously there's a reason there. But I wouldn't know. I doubt that he got his channel deleted because he made AMC videos. Because if that was true, everybody get their channel deleted. So I highly doubt that's the reason. I know that's the reason going around everywhere. I've seen everywhere, everybody posting that. I was like, dude, definitely not the reason, but we'll go with it. Something else somewhere. Jumping out somewhere. Yeah, right now it's at what, 3.39 million. I mean, volume in this part of here was definitely really bad, but volume in the pre-market's been terrible for a while now, though. So reason why I don't really like looking at pre-market anyway too much in terms of like what's going to happen for the day anymore, because pre-market volume has been pretty garbage up until like 30 minutes before anyway. You can really tell it back here though. Even on the 1 minute chart, it's like pretty. Yeah, it's pretty bad back there. Like 900, 600. There's a 55 volume 1 minute ticker, 16 volume. Yeah, very, very, very low volume back there. So used to, like when the thing was a very, very big hype stock, when we were pulling like, you know, 500 million a day, it would literally look like midday was pre-market. It was ridiculous. We've had some days in a pre-market where it was pretty crazy though. Yo, CS, what's up, man? I don't know, CS. I don't know, man. Like, again, somebody said he was doing, like, I guess, like, coordinated buys with his chat. If that's true, then obviously that's not good. You can't do that. I don't really know, though, right? I have no idea. I don't know the guy. Like I said, I've never watched his channel once, so I would be, you know, shooting darts. Obviously, it's not because he made AMC videos, though. That's what the going thing is. It's not because of that. Now, if they were telling lies about AMC, then maybe, right? If somebody was making videos saying AMC was definitely going to, you know, bust through the sky, then maybe I could see it. But they weren't like giving like might not happen kind of things, and definitely you get in trouble for that too, because at that point you're kind of like Ponzi scheming it. a little bit, which could get you in trouble too. Kind of like pump and dump schemes, right? Again, I don't really know. I don't know him. So again, my guess would be just, my guess would be, you know, irrelevant. Sure, I do not know. Yo, if you guys haven't smacked the like button, make sure you guys smack the like button. Yeah, I don't want to say anything. I'm not saying anything bad about the guys. Like I said, I don't know. I'm just like trying to give you guys guesses on maybe what happened. It's definitely not because of AMC videos though. Again, unless he was like, you know, making crazy AMC videos, then maybe. But I didn't hear anything about that, so we guess that's probably not the reason why. Yep, like my thing. All right, there we go. There we go. Yucker and yuckies, dude. Went from really high, man, down the back low again on some of these stocks. Like, ugh. Please. Help me. Help me help you, Chad. Help me help you. Let's see. I mean, Palantir is below 23 bucks right now, though. That's crazy. I mean, at least Neo's going up. You know what I mean? I mean, hey, I'll take it. What's going on with Tesla? It's because of the chipsets. They released news about the chipsets kind of hurting quarter twos like every other company has. And of course, you know, Tesla falls. Dude, the market's so weird. You know what I mean? The market be weird. There's nothing you can do about it, right? It's kind of like when RMO like came out and said there was a fuel cell shortage. Obviously, their stock fell like $5 really quick. And then it went right back up really fast too. Any company that says it happened to Neo too, right? Like Neo came out and said their quarter twos were gonna get affected by chipsets, right? Everybody knew this since last year, that car companies are gonna have trouble getting chips the next, you know, for the next few quarters. And like the Q2s of this year would be the worst. And you know, anytime they say it, everybody's like, "Oh my God, this is brand new news! Like we never heard this before in our lives." Sell. Like chill. There's nothing you can do about it, man. Just the market being the market, man. And usually it's big wigs, right? Like the big suits, they sell. They're the ones that rule the market anyway. So when they sell, it drops the market. If you know, it drops that price a little bit, and then you have retail investors right behind them selling too, and that kind of makes a little cascade of sales where you go down $20 or $30 on a stock. If it's a high stock, if it's not, then it might go down $1 or $2. It's nothing you can do about that though. Is Canoe a good price to buy? I mean, I like Canoe. I like Canoe, man. At the price when it's at. If you're holding long term, then for me, I like buying long term. I'll buy Canoe like under $12 on Canoe. Short term, I don't know how the turbulence is going to be short term. There's definitely you know catalysts out there that can make the market kind of fluctuate up and down more between now and you know let's say you know the end of May area. I don't think turbulence is going to be completely going out of the market until probably like June or July. And even then, I think we might have some turbulence, just won't be as bad. So, yo, Mika, she never stress about red days anyway. She never she never stress about the red days anyway. Just breathe and be good. That's what I like to do. There's nothing you can do about a red day either, right? You just, you know, buy the red, buy the dips, and then, you know, you just ride the rips, right? When they happen. They'll happen eventually. Here's why when people are freaking out about, like, Neo being down. I'm like, dude, let me buy some more Neo. Like, it's all good. I'm good with that. You guys know me. I do not care about the red days. Let it roll, man. Nothing you can do about it. Have some fun. The ISAT, yeah, that would stress me out. That would stress me out, Mika. See, that right there would stress me out. Am I holding Biocept? I think I have a little bit of Biocept. Let me look. I think I bought a little bit a while back because I was in one of my videos a while back when I was really cheap. It's been getting ravaged though. I'm pretty sure at that too, right? They didn't have any news in a while either, unfortunately. They haven't had any news in a bit, so what they had application, global forecast, cumulative. Yeah, this is one of them, yeah. Used to be one of those, yeah. I have a little bit of Biocept. Do have a little bit of Biocept. Where's Moderna at? You know, yeah, when Moderna came off their low at 117, going back up a little bit right here. Some reason Biocept remind me of Moderna, and I had to look at Moderna real quick. Gotta check my Moderna shares too, dude. Moderna shares. Some of these companies, man, especially these SPACs, are so low right now. Good lord, dude. You can buy like FRX right now for like $10 even on us. That is crazy. K-Save at 14. There's a lot of cheap stocks right now. Or Tlry too. Well, Jerome Powell speaking today? Is he really? All right. What's he going to speak on? What's he going to speak on, though? Good old Jerome Powell. Thoughts on UAMY? Oh, dude. I haven't looked at UAMY in a little bit. What's it down to now? It's U.S. autonomy. Dang, this thing came down a lot, didn't it? Was this one? Yeah, this is... Okay, yeah, because I remember now, yeah. We did this back in, like, February. It was, like, $2 a share at that point. Somewhere around there. Yeah, I think it was, like, yeah, it's a little bit over $2 that day I looked at it. Oh, I go now down to $1. Wow. All the way down to $1 at one point. Announces investor call. Well, they got an investor call coming up, man, so... That may help a little bit. Was that the... Oh, it was yesterday. Okay, yeah. So they had an investor call yesterday, too. I mean, it might be a good buy right now, honestly. It's really cheap, that's for sure. I mean, it's better than buying where somebody would have bought it $2. $2.50. What?
I think
He's like, wee. Yeah, it's a really cheap price right now in the UAMY, though. Yeah, CTRM just keeps getting whopped. Them releasing those shares, man, really hurt CTRM. Yeah, I don't advise anybody buying like CTRM right this second. That's for sure. It is very, very low though right now. I know it's very tempting to buy it at that low, man, but good lord, it is down a lot. Is there any other news other than the 125 million direct offering? I guess that 125 direct offering just really smacked them down low, man. Maybe it could be the shares releasing right now too. It might be one reason why it's dropping like that. It is very low right now. 46 cents. That's ridiculous. Rich, I don't know and I don't care. Don't know, don't care, man. Yo. Yeah, she was letting Bella in. Bella's our dog or whatever. It's been raining, so Bella went outside to use the bathroom real quick. I guess she was like running around the house, like got soaked. Then when she came running in the house, she went to go put her stoppers on, man. We got wood floors, obviously, right? She just went flying through. She went sliding like 6 years. Well, I mean, if he was doing, if they were doing coordinated buys, Rich, you ain't got to worry. I won't do coordinated buys. I don't do those things, because I know I can get in big trouble for that, and I'm not doing that. There's a reason right here, guys, why I'm not like, now I'm getting in, like, you guys, like, I told you guys this before. There's a reason why I don't say, like, let's say Go EV's running, okay? There's a reason why I'm not like, I'm buying now and I'm getting out now, kind of things, right? And if that was going on, you're not really supposed to do that. But yeah, if that what was going on, I don't know. Somebody said that in the Discord, that he was doing those things. If that's true, then obviously, you know, I can see why his channel might have got bopped. I don't think it's because of AMC or something like that, unless somebody's telling lots of lies about AMC and not being like kind of truthful about it, right? Like if somebody's saying, like every video they're like, this is going to explode, like no matter what, no way it doesn't go up in price, like, then obviously you can get in trouble for that too, because then at that point it's almost like a stock Ponzi scheme going on there. Almost kind of like a pump, I guess. Yo, Rich, thank you so much for the $2, fam. Thank you. There's a reason why I don't do those things, though, man. It's definitely not in the rule book. You can't do that. Like I can't do that anyway. I'm not gonna do it. I won't get in trouble. Oh, yeah, I know the rules. Again, you know, some of these people might not have been inside of some of these people might not be in let's say some of these people might not, again, because I've heard like some of the people that are making AMC videos have only been in the stock market for like 3 or 4 months ever since AMC got started, so they don't really know the rules of the stock market. They don't know how, you know, pump and dumps and stuff are, even though you can't just put a disclaimer at the bottom of your stream that says not financial advice. That doesn't work either. Like just because you put not financial advice at the bottom of your screen doesn't mean you can't get in trouble, right? So I don't, yeah, that's the reason why I don't do those things, is I don't want to get in trouble, right? And again, I don't know if that's what he was doing, because I don't know, right? I'm just going by what somebody said in the Discord. If that's not true, then obviously it's, you know, it's not what he was doing then. What I'm trying to say is this reason why I don't do those things, because I can get in trouble for them. And I don't want to get in trouble. And I don't want to end up like with a lawsuit either, right? Like the most I'm going to do, Chad, is say something's a good buy, right? I can tell you if a price looks good, but I'm not going to say now's the time to jump in, or like, and now's the time to jump out kind of things. Just, you're kind of you're bending the rule there a little bit. You'll end up getting bopped. The Hedgies author, I mean, hey, you can't blame Trey there. I'm sure you'll probably make like 30 or 40K off that video. So can't blame him there, man. Yo, thank you so much, Richard, for the what's that? Wait a minute. I think, yeah, the $7.77, Richard. You, sir, are the top dono of the day. We'll make sure the MVP of the day, brother. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. So I had a job and did this for fun. Oh, he quit his job? Yeah, that's not good, Sully. That's not good. Like, obviously, like, you know, if you get so big, man, and everything's going very well, then maybe, but I wouldn't quit my job until like YouTube was working out like good for at least a good 6 months straight, right? Like, you want to make sure that something's going to do good before you quit your job anyway. It's not, you never do that. Like, obviously, like right now, my business goes before YouTube. Like, eventually, I hope the YouTube goes before my business, and then I can, you know, I'll still have my business too, though, right? But maybe one day it'll be like that too. But I want to have like a lot of growth for a while before I even thought about that, right? Want to have a ton of growth before I think about anything like that. But I do spend, you know, full-time hours on YouTube. Hall of Fame's just coming down off its high horse of the NFT stuff. And I'm sure probably Hall of Fame will probably have another NFT pump at some point. You would guess anyway, right? 'Cause I honestly think the top of Hall of Fame is like $5. But without any kind of hype, it'll probably settle down around like $4 area. Somewhere around in there. Somewhere around in there. But with hype, it could definitely have pushes though. Because again, it is an NFT. So that's probably one reason why right here. So Hall of Fame Resort and Entertainment shared their NFT launch details. So their NFT launch details right here 2 hours ago. That's probably what pumped up the price on Hall of Fame up like what from $4.50 all the way up to $5.30. So I let him quit his job, nah, dude. Nah, you guys are good, man. I appreciate you guys being here, dude. Hopefully, eventually we can get YouTube just being like my thing I like focus on the most, right? That's the goal. You know what I mean? That's my goal, obviously. But if not, it'll be okay. I'll still be here. Bought me an Xbox Series Plus X Pulse Red rechargeable battery pack. Nice, Jordan. Let's go, brother. Nice, dude. That's awesome. That is awesome. Lisa, that's great. I mean, he'll be good, man. He'll be good. He'll be good. He can still do his trades and everything like that as well. So he could also he could make like a Twitch channel or something like that as well. I guess could also be Matt showed other websites while on live stream. I know while you're live on TikTok, they ban you if you go to other websites like YouTube. They do, really? They do that? Usually they don't do that. I show websites all the time on here. I show websites all the time. Maybe if he's showing stuff that's like a paid, maybe if it's a paid thing, right? If he's some sites, if you pay for something, right? They don't like you showing stuff that's paid for, because then obviously like this audience hasn't paid for that thing, and especially in the finance world, it's a lot more strict. So if he's like paying for a subscription for something like big, right? Then that right there could also get him bopped. Then that whatever that company is could come in and be like, look, man, he's sharing our crap. Like, we sell this stuff, we make money off this, like, and he's showing his whole audience. That could be, it gets you too, man. But if you're doing coordinated buys and sells, that's the reason why, though. Coordinated buys and sells are a no-go. That's a nope. That'll get you in trouble really quick. Maybe on a private stream, but on a live stream, like a free live stream, like if I was sitting here, guys, we were sitting here and let's say, again, let's say like Neo was running, right? Which it has been doing very well today, right? Let's say I got into Neo. Let's say I opened up a quick scalp on Neo, right? Let's say we hopped in. Say I hopped in on Neo at like right here on this candlestick, like 37.55, and I say I bought 1,000 shares, right? And I say I'm going in now, and then let's say I hopped out this top candlestick at 38.04, 38.03 area, right in here. Say I hopped out right in here, and I say I'm hopping out now. That's a no-no. So if he's doing stuff like that, that's a big no-no. It doesn't matter if you're saying this isn't financial advice. That doesn't matter, right? The SEC does not care about that. They don't care that you're putting not financial advice. You can get in big trouble. And again, if he's brand new to stocks, I mean, he probably doesn't know that, but he should know that before you making YouTube videos, right? Because I know a lot of these YouTubers obviously just now started, stocks like, 3-4 months ago. Probably like December or January, right? Maybe someone probably maybe November. And yeah, you should probably know stocks before you start doing it. But his channel didn't get taken down because he was doing AMC videos. Unless, again, I haven't watched his channel. Unless somebody was doing like AMC videos and they're like, this is going to definitely squeeze. He's like, I'm buying everything. Put all your money in it. Like, going nuts about it. Then, obviously, that's wrong, too. Because then, they could say you're doing a pump and dump at that point, right, too? And you can get bopped for that. I mean, I would love to be able to do that, right? Don't get me wrong. I would love to be able to tell you guys, like, what good buy... Like, I can tell you guys what a good buy is, right? I'm sorry, I can't tell you guys, like, when to get in and get out. kind of thing, right? I can tell you what a good buy. Like, I can tell you guys what a good, like, what stocks I like, what stocks are good buys. But I can't tell you guys to get in now and get in out or get out, right? At that point, they kind of become like a pump and dump, and that's the way the SEC's gonna look at it. Kind of like having a YouTube. It's kind of like having a Discord channel, and like, let's say you have like crypto, man. Say you're doing crypto, and you're like, okay, we're all gonna buy in right now. So you go in and buy in, and pump the crypto up crazy amounts, and then you're like, we're getting out now. So you all just dump the crypto and it drops, right? That's a pump and dump too. Again, I can tell you guys good buys, but I can't tell you guys when to get in and get out. That's against rules. It had to be against rules. I mean, I haven't watched that video that Trey put out. I didn't watch the video Trey put out, so I don't really know a lot about it. Like, so I obviously I can tell you that he made a lot of money off that video, right? I can tell you he made a lot of money off the video, I'm sure. A lot more than he paid. Probably 4 or 5x, and he'll probably make extra videos on it too, so he'll probably make more than that. I've seen a lot of posts saying they were feeling bad for him. I'm like, why don't you feel bad, dude? You guys are crazy. Don't feel bad for that. He did it for a reason, man. He did it for a reason. He'll probably pump out more videos on it, on the subject. You know what I mean? You'll probably see like a breakdown of the video and another breakdown of that video. If you break down videos every which direction. He's smart. He knows what he's doing, man. You know what he's doing. He ain't stupid. I would not be surprised if he makes 5 or 6x. Who, me? I'm not jealous of Trey. What are you talking about, bro? I guess, man. Totally jealous. Totally. I didn't even see anything bad. What do you mean? How am I jealous? I was just saying. I wouldn't feel that bad about it. You see it? I mean, you can leave the channel, though. I don't really care at that point. Holy crap. Some kids are really mad this morning too, aren't they? Some people are really mad. Just leave the channel, man, because I really don't care. You got 20x my numbers. That's cool, Bullet, but I don't care though. That's the problem. I don't do YouTube for numbers. So you got the wrong channel here, man. Go to the next pump and dump channel, man. This isn't your channel. I hate to tell you, brother. This isn't a pump and dump channel. So, if you like pump and dump channels, get the fuck out. You know what I mean? There you go. I just like it how some people think I actually care about numbers. Yikes. Don't do YouTube for numbers, brother. I do YouTube because I like YouTube. Don't care about numbers. Don't care about them. I'm not gonna hang on somebody's ball sack, dude. You can go hang on somebody's ball sack. Just get out. He's a Moffat trial trying to attract viewers. Who is? I'll ban him, Stan. Who is he? I'll ban it, dude. I don't care. You guys, some people are very mad already this morning. Yikers. I'm not gonna ride anybody's coattail. I don't care about numbers. You're in the wrong channel if you think I care about numbers, brother. The wrong channel here. Hey, Natasha. Let me help you with that. See you later, Natasha. There you go. Holy crap, dude. Ugh. Some people make my head hurt. Some people really make my head hurt. She's already gone. Already banned her. Like I just, it's weird how people think I actually care about numbers or something. Again, I don't do YouTube for numbers. I do YouTube because I like YouTube. I do YouTube because I like my community, right? I don't use YouTube for numbers, brother. Just because some people are mad that somebody got banned and another person's mad because of, like, you know, a video that got done last night. Like, that does nothing to do with me. Like, chill. They're waiting getting your replies. I mean, it's kind of entertaining though, a little bit, just a wee bit, just a wee bit. I'll ban them. Don't worry, guys. Why'd you fans only accounts, dude? Hey, I got a fans only account too. You guys gotta look me up on fans only. Yeah, Tommy. Yeah, I do. I do. That's the whole yikers there, bro. So mad, dude. Tell me about it, CS. That's what I'm saying. Like, good lord. Makes my head hurt a little bit. Just a wee bit. Alright. Yo, Go EV's still pumping up. Go Canoe, go! Well, at least it looks like some of the EV plays are definitely at least coming back around, you know. GME's falling off a cliff over here. You know, rip that. Hopefully we can recover somewhere. AMC and GME, man. Ugh. AMC's volume today is trash. Trash volume's trash, kid. Trash, trash, trash. Sounded like an old grandpa. Go buy government bonds. I mean, what do you expect though? He's an older guy too, Arthur. What do you expect? Like, I don't know what people expected out of Belfort anyway. Like, I could have told you what Belfort was going to say before he even got on there. Nintendo Land, John. I would love to go to Nintendo Land, honestly. I would, dude. I'm hoping they get like a Nintendo Land or something like that in Florida, man. That'd be awesome. That would be amazing, honestly. I don't think so, Crispy. Again, I don't really know a lot about it, so I don't really know a lot about that point. So I'll leave that up to somebody else that knows more about it. Like I said, I've never watched his channel before, so I don't really know. So I don't know. This music's so suspenseful. Tell me about it, dude. His chair was... Nah. Yeah, okay. At that point, I don't know. Is Tilray... I don't think Tilray... No, Tilray's not dead, man. No. Tilray is just in hibernation right now. It's hibernating. I do think Tilray was a little above itself where it should have been, right? I think Tilray's a little above itself where it should have been. I think Tilray's max right now should be like 20 bucks. I think, honestly, for me, like, I'm more of a Tilray buyer when it gets to like $18. I'll be completely honest with you. Like $18 areas like where I'd be buying Tilray at. But, you know, some people might buy it above that. I think it's like a $20 stock, 21 bucks, somewhere in there. Could get a little higher too, though, right? But I think fair value price is somewhere around there, $21, $22, somewhere in there. Reason why I decided to be more of a buyer around 18 is that way, you know, fair value comes up to 22. At least then you're getting like $4 a share right there. So I think it has long-term growth potential, though. I think today's a long-term growth potential is there. Yeah, Sundial got bopped too, though, man. There's lots of stocks right now, man. They're just getting ravaged. What was that, a 91 cents at one point? Jesus. Yeah, I mean, Sundial under $1 though. What's my opinion on Canopy? I actually have Canopy. I like Canopy, man. I do like Canopy. I do have it. Canopy growth, that is. It's definitely down a lot. Like, it seems like wheat stocks are down a lot today across the board. So Canopy growth is going to be buying Supreme Cannabis, though, for $256 million. $256 million buyout by Canopy growth. That might be really good for them as well. Supreme Cannabis is a pretty decent little company, so. It's actually cheaper than they said. Well, okay, that's Canadian. Okay, so 435 Canadian dollar, or 435 million Canadian dollars is 256 million, I guess, USA. So they're buying it for anyway. I think Canopy Growth is probably like a $30 to $35 stock, like in terms of like a nice fair value for it. Somewhere around in there. But it seems like Canopy stocks right now are getting walloped anyway. Yo, Cody. Yeah, some people make jokes. I really don't know a lot because, again, I don't watch a lot of people, so. Yo, what's up, Shane? What up, brother? Are you watching golf? Dude, you know what? I can't watch golf. I like playing golf. I just can't watch it. Just one of those sports, man, I can't get into when I'm watching it as much. Like, I'm watching a little bit of it. It's just not a lot. It's not a lot. Yo, what's up, trader? Hope you're doing well, brother. Neptune's doing just fine. You and that Neptune, dude, I swear. They should probably pay you money, man. They need to pay you money. It's like the Neptune guy. You change your name to Dick Neptune. Oh, man. Or Neptune trader at this point. 1,000 shares of AMC or Canoe short term. Oh, dude, legally, I think you can make money on both of them. I mean, obviously, you never know about AMC. AMC could jump at any point, right? Or we could just be wandering around in the same area for a while. Obviously, Canoe is undervalued still, but I mean, I don't know. Again, we're in a weird market where like tech stocks have been going like a wave pool, up and down. So I don't know if, you know, where Canoe is going to go like short term. I know long term, you know, Canoe is going to go up. You know, just like, you know, obviously Neo was beat down like super far. It had a good upturn today as well, up like $1 pretty much already today. Over $1 at one point on the day so far, but you're up like 3% there. You know, Canoe's up almost 7%. I mean, I pointed that out a lot, MC. I said that a lot, man. But we were down at $5 for a while too, though, right? And we popped all the way up to 14 something, and then now we made our wall all the way back down to $9 again. That's the reason why some people are saying like maybe AMC might go back down to $5 and then go back up again. I mean, I don't know about that, but I mean, I guess anything's possible in this market we're in. I hope it doesn't go down that low. I'm hoping like $9 is like the wall, and then we kind of bounce off that wall, right? But I was also hoping we wouldn't go down below $10 long either. So hopefully by the end of the day, we get back above like $10 area. Just when you stay down long in a certain area, it kind of becomes that new norm, and then you're stuck in this $9, cycle again. Then you gotta work your way back to the $10, and then 11 again. It's like But we could have another day where we just pump up like that, right? Like, not that. This other day we were at below $9, and we pumped from below $9 all the way up to $11.25, right? I mean, though we settled out in the $10 range at the end of the day, but still did good overall that day. That's the reason why I said it's hard to say one of these stocks are always out. You're like, it's going down, but then out of nowhere, man, it pumps up like $4 or $5. I mean, if we had a news catalyst, AMC goes up for sure. AMC loves to feed off news, so any kind of catalyst that it can use, usually you get usually goes up to even up to $2 to $3 at a time. We just have some good AMC news, man. When's Mortal Kombat coming out? We need Mortal Kombat to come out. Do good numbers. King Kong came out, did good numbers. AMC went up like a bunch. What, it went up like a $2 and 20, 30 cents. I really do feel like if Mortal Kombat comes out, does good, another good news story, AMC goes up another $2 again. Yeah, I feel like marijuana stocks across the board, man, right now are getting bopped. Mortal Kombat 2, the worst movie ever. So Mortal Kombat comes out April 23rd. I mean, still, if it still has good sold numbers, right? And it still has good sell numbers, I feel like AMC will go up again. Like, really, I do. Every time there's a really good news story, man, news catalyst, it goes whoop, right back up. Best part was watching that puppet. Look, good old Johnny Cage, man. Well, yeah, Planet 13, didn't they open up a new, I do own Planet 13 too, so. Wasn't there a good news story on Planet 13 though? I want to say, but I'm not 100% sure. It's definitely been up, especially since April the 6th. It's been, pretty. It's not up a ton, right? But it's been up. If you go back to April 5th, it's been up almost a whole $1 since April 5th. So it's up a whole buck since April 5th. What is that? It's up 18%, 18.35% since April 5th. It's not bad. Not bad. It's pretty good in a what is that, like a 3-4 day span. I mean, can't complain there, man. I haven't even looked at my Planet 13 stock in a bit, so. Planet 13 definitely expanded. Okay, yeah, expanding to California and 8 other locations being planned. Okay, sweet. That's what I was saying. I was fixing to say, I think I saw news on it. I just can't remember on Planet 13. So at least there's good news in Planet 13, so you probably won't see that sell-off like some of these other weed stocks are now having. Yeah, but I mean, so has tlry too. tlry's been red since that announcement too, pretty much. So. Jam T, baby. That's right, Post. That's right, man. Yo, if you guys have it, make sure you guys smack the like button, man. Definitely helps out. We've had 6 hedge funds come in today, chat. 6 hedge funds already, dude. Wowzers. I hope everyone's having a great day, though. If you guys have it, make sure you guys smack the sub button as well. Definitely appreciate it, man. Shout out to anybody who's just been chilling, hanging out. JasonAllenMoney says, man, even better. True. It is true. the dip before the rip, man, with pot stocks 420 is coming. It's crazy though, because there's actually been some pretty decent catalysts, man, within the community. If you're in like in the marijuana stocks, there's been a lot of good news, with marijuana too. It's weird that they've been down today, even today, unless there was like more news I just didn't really pay attention to, and that's the reason why they're down. But I didn't see anything like crazy bad either. Roku. Yo, Stan, actually, Roku's a pretty good stock, dude. With lots of growth potential at that. Like, lots of growth potential. Yeah, it's up a lot. It's up pretty good today, man. What are they up today? 4% of the day, it's pretty good. Especially for a, $300+ stock. Especially with that kind of stock. On which one, Christopher? TCAT? Oh man, TCAT. That's an NFT stock, correct? I think TCAT's one of those NFT stocks. Yeah, okay, it's an NFT stock. I mean, it's hard for me to tell because I don't know the value. I don't know how much value that's going to bring TCAT either. Does anybody know those numbers? Because before this, man, TCAT, before the NFT craze hit, TCAT was like a $5 stock, by the way. Just so you know. And it's been coming down ever since that big high of $74 it had on the 23rd of March. Been coming down since then. It's kind of leveled out, though, obviously, right? Around that $29 to $30, $33, $34 area. Been back at the 45 at one point. I don't know if I would try to catch the falling stick right now, the falling knife per se. Like, I think I would wait to make sure it's going to level out before you bought in. Honestly, that's just me. Because it is up a lot. I mean, big. I mean, you know me, man. Like I tell you guys all the time. It does just because there's ingredients there for AMC to squeeze doesn't mean it's going to squeeze, right? Like, obviously, I hope it squeezes, right? And I do know there's ingredients there for it to squeeze, but nobody knows if AMC is going to squeeze or not. Like, I'm truthful with that all the time. I'll tell you guys that 24/7. Like, obviously, I hope it squeezes, but again, I've been in stocks before that could have squeezed too, and they didn't squeeze, right? You have to have the ingredients, and you have to have everything just hit just right for that to happen all the way. So, I mean, obviously, I'm gonna hold my shares because I can. Obviously, if you can't hold your shares, I mean, obviously, that's you don't need to put your RIP money into AMC. Don't do that. For God's sakes. Don't do that. I'm gonna hold mine though, unless again, if they were to dilute shares, then big time, then you'd probably want to, get back in at a lower price because I'm sure that's what a lot of people are gonna do. At that point, it's kind of like what dilution does. Obviously, they'll split stock price down. Hopefully that doesn't happen though, right? We got a while before that even happens anyway. It's like May, it'd be like mid-May. We're a whole. What? It's April the 8th right now, so we have a whole over a month before that could even happen. Not your rent money, just car insurance. Oh, that's okay. Who needs car insurance, bro? I mean, oh, dude. Who needs the car insurance anyway? Nobody needs the car insurance. Yeah, Ears is doing really well right now. 100%, man. Ears be up. I'll put Ears over here for a minute. I'm down with that. See if it goes too far. I'm gonna bring up Ears over here on my other chart. It's easier to look at some of these charts, man. You're looking at one big chart. So bringing it down to smaller ones. Ears right now is right on the MA line, so It's definitely not super bullish right this second. It was super bullish at market open all the way up to like 9. Then it was just like, you know, kind of going, the MA line was right through the middle of the sticks. And you had another big firm opportunity come through at about 9:11. Now would have dissipated a little bit right around the 420 mark. Somewhere in there. See, where's this at right now? Yeah, I mean, on the 3-minute chart, though, it definitely looks a lot more bullish on the 3-minute chart. The 1-minute chart isn't as bullish, but the 3-minute chart's very bullish on the ears. 3-minute chart's a lot more bullish, though. But that gives you a lot more time period to look at it, too. You might lose. Tough decision. I mean, Flex, I mean, also, you could also have a squeeze between now and then, too, Flex. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? I'm going to hold on to my shares. You guys know me anyway, so I'm going to hold on to my shares. But you guys can make your own decisions at that end. It's your money. I can't tell you guys what to do with it. I mean, there's a reason why some people sold, right? Like, there is a reason. And like I said, I understand that. Like, I'm not like a... You guys know me. I'm not a pump and dumper. Like... I never try to like force anybody to do anything. Definitely not my motto. I've been in the market a good 8+ years, man. You know, 10 years counting like just being casually in the market. Castor Maritime, yeah, that dude, Castor Maritime, they offered their, you know what happened to Castor Maritime though? They offered an offering up, kind of like what, you know, people are expecting AMC to do. That's usually what happens when a stock does that, right? Usually the stock will half. So whatever the stock is, it'll usually half a little bit. It'll usually half, man. And that's kind of what happened. Pretty much. What are their stock offering? Like, what's the price point on the stock offering? Does it say it anywhere? I know it's 125 million. At what price? Go to Global News Wire real quick. Maybe it shows it. 65. They have a 65 cent stock. It's even below that. It's even below the 65 cent. I was going to say maybe it's 50 cents, and then that would be right? It'll drop right below the 50 cent mark. That's definitely below the 65 cents. It's down 20 cents below that one. I have no idea, Nappy. I have no idea. It depends on if he had violated like SEC guidelines or something like that. And if there's SEC like guidelines, then maybe not, honestly. Then maybe not. But I really don't know. Like I said, I don't know. I don't know his channel or what he did in his channel, or I never watched the video of him, so I have no idea. Tennessee, man. Tennessee, Nappy. So, my guesses would be very hypothetical. And wouldn't matter much. Wouldn't matter. If you were to get reported, you know, if one of the big dogs reported you or something like that, then... You know, you probably wouldn't get a notice. Your channel would probably just get taken down immediately. But again, my guess would be very hypothetically, and again, because I just don't know him. I've never watched the channel before, so. There's an ears and an eyes. Yes, Clint. Yes, dude. There's an ears and an eye. How was Signmark 22 and AMC 970? AMC has $5 billion in debt. Was it? Is it Sign? I think it's Signmark, right? Or it's not Sign. It's Yeah, you know what I'm saying about, man. Cinemark is I keep saying I want to say Sign, but Cinemark doesn't have as much debt. If AMC didn't have as much debt as they did, they would be up anyway. Like that would be the normal for AMC, right? See, around that area. Kind of like with IMAX too. So with IMAX as well, people ask about IMAX as well. And it's the same thing for IMAX. You look up IMAX, like IMAX is higher too. They just don't have. They're not. You know, they've been down here lately, right? And the volume's terrible on this IMAX. If the volume on IMAX was the same as on AMC, IMAX would be like to the moon right now. It'd be ridiculous. Their volume is ridiculously low, but it's like 39,000 right now. But they don't have as much, like, say, as much debt or something like that as something like AMC has. So the AMC debt hurts the stock price a lot. Believe me, it hurts it a lot, man. More than people want to admit, but you know. Neo's steadily climbing though, man. Neo be steadily climbing here. We shall take it. Yeah, ears lost its bullish mark for a little bit. Look at the 5-minute chart. If it still has bullish terms on it. I mean, 5-minute chart. 518, 419, 420. I mean, the 5-minute chart definitely is still bullish on the 5-minute chart. One-minute chart that would tell you not so much on the years. Charge point back up again. Chart needs to be. I haven't looked at charge point today, honestly. It was down a lot. It was down quite a little bit yesterday. So yeah, charge point's coming back up. Charge points should stick somewhere around like $30, where I expect it to go to. Maybe a little bit higher than that right now. I do think charge point's like a $45 stock with a lot more room to grow. Another one, man, is SNPR, right? SNPR is another stock that's primed and ready as well. It's just being volleyed right now, but I think it's better than CLII. And if you look at growth chart numbers, it would tell you the same thing. It would tell you the exact same thing on the growth chart numbers as well. Yo, what's up, DJ? What up, brother? How you doing, man? Are we doing well today, my dude? I like AMD. Pug, I like AMD. It's a good long-term play, especially for chips and stuff like that. I think AMD is a good long-term play. Same thing with like NVIDIA. TSM is another like good chipset company as well. If you're looking for chipsets, a company, I think those are all good chipsets. There's more than that as well, man. Yeah, Volta, man. Volta, like they actually have better growth numbers if you look at their growth numbers than say something like CLII, which is good too. Like I like EVgo, but it's kind of crazy because CLII is actually a higher stock price right now if you look at it. And I own both of these, right? Like CLII right now is at $13.89, and SNPR, which has a higher growth than CLII does, which I still think CLII is a good buy-in at $13-14. Crazy because SNPR, man, is at $10.50. So you're getting it like what? Like $3 cheaper a share with a higher growth potential. The market's weird right now. The market's definitely weird, man. Like, hey, I can go buy a Volta for way cheaper than I can, you know, EVgo. All right. I don't know. I mean, the market's definitely pulling it down too, Kevin. But still, the $5 billion in debt that AMC has definitely hurts it, man. And if you don't think that, then I'm going to guess you just haven't been in the market very long then. You don't know how debt can hurt a stock price. Now, the market is definitely down, man. And nano dimensions and like in places like that, unless there's something else I'm not looking at in nano dimensions. Like, even look at like biogenomics. Like, even it got pulled down too. I don't know a lot about nano, so it would be kind of, you know, right there I wouldn't really know a ton about. I don't speak on it too much. But I do know debt hurts companies, man. Especially when you have a company that's billions of dollars in debt. Definitely hurts it. It hurts the stock value a lot. So when was this downturn on Nano, though? When was the downturn on Nano? So that would kind of make sense, honestly. Let's see, financials. Now, obviously, their Q4 results weren't great either, though. They missed their EPS by 16 cents, which is, you know, not the best right there either. They had a Q4 loss of 20 cents a share as well. That may be one reason why Nano's down as well. That's just me overlooking it really quick, though. I'm sure there's might be some other stuff in there, but also you gotta remember, man, the market as a whole is bringing it down too, I'm sure. And if it's a tech company, which I'm guessing it is, that would have got brought down no matter what, because tech companies are getting hit harder than most companies right now. Because they were down so low yesterday, Cal, they got brought down. They got brought down a lot yesterday. So, like, look at I mean, you can tell it right here as well. I mean, look, I mean. They went from $39 yesterday in going into aftermarket. They've had a bigger loss too. Like, they were at almost $40 yesterday morning, right? So $40 yesterday morning. They dropped all the way down to $36.35 for no reason, pretty much. Now they're coming back up a little bit, but still, they're still down way more than they should have been. So usually the next day when something like that happens, usually it pop back up. Looks like yours might have spun out a little bit here. Look back at Canoe real quick. And see, Canoe's coming back down off its little high horse as well. Canoe goes up and then down, and up and then down, dude. Like, yeah, like a train ride. Is XP doing the same thing? I mean, definitely up 4, so they're about the same, 4%, pretty much. About the same. Most part, Chad, I cannot invest any serious dinerita until I get these stocks are in green. Now you're good, DJ. Hey, man. I mean, even days when I don't invest in anything, I'm still all about the market. I still like watching it. Every time I buy a Canoe, it goes down. Hey, it happens, man. It happens. We get 12 p.m. Eastern. All right, so I guess we'll watch. We can watch some of that on the Patreon stream. I'm doing that. Down to watch it on the Patreon stream for sure. We can have it up too. Even with EV prices down, I'm up 15% on XPeng. XPeng's actually been kind of resilient. Kind of resilient. They definitely got bopped yesterday by that. Well, they've had like a couple days right where they downturned, right? You got the 40 bucks. And then fell right back down. It's like, ah. And the market's been so weird, dude. It's a weird market. Hopefully this right here will be the up we have and kind of go up from here. Not have like another downturn after you get up again. 'Cause that's never, oh dude, it's never fun. Just bought another 30 shares of AMC at 964. Y'all, let's go, baby. Let's go, dude. Yo, if you guys haven't, make sure you guys smack the like button below. Get the 200 likes, man. 200 like-arinos. Let's bring up, look at Neo real quick. $381. Was this 1 minute chart? Let's go to the 5 minute chart. And Neo's still very bullish, especially on the 5 minute chart, though. Been pretty much bullish signal since the start. I think it's the 5 minute chart. Yeah, it's still above that MA line. Especially if you put it at 15 MA. 15 minutes. Put it on 15 too. Maybe we can get GameStop to go back above, you know, the 175 mark. The GameStop's been on a ride, dude. They've been on a ride, bro. They dropped this morning, like they were down low this morning, like 171-ish area right there, 172. Got all the way back up, man, to 190, and then just dropped again back down to, you know, 175 now. What are you doing? Cool bit. And AMC's just doing AMC stuff. It's like AMC drops and then it just, you know, then it goes like super low volume. Then we're just, you know, barcoding back and forth all day. AMC needs a news catalyst, chat. I'm telling you, somebody needs to call up Adam Aaron, man, and tell him they need to start selling NFTs right now, chat. Right now. We need some NFT action on AMC, dude. It's the only way, chat. It's the only way. We'll go right up, man. We just need to have AMC sell some NFTs. Sell some like golden spinny popcorns. I don't know. Something. I feel like that would work. Yeah, it's not a bad idea. It's not a bad idea, DJ. It's not a bad idea, man, just to hold. See where it goes from there. I like you to address questions. I just wanted your opinion on NNDM. Oh, you're talking about Nano, yeah. Well, the reason why Nano was down, again, you know, is because, one, their earnings weren't the best right there. Plus, I think it's a technology company. I don't know a lot about the company, right? But it's a tech company in general. That's one reason why Nano took down even more, because tech companies got whopped last few days. Tech has been down the last few days, which again creates better opportunities for tech, because then you have better growth opportunities when market kind of picks back up. They're the ones that got smacked the most. Looks like Sundial's coming back up a little bit here, right? Sundial's coming back up a little bit. Richard in MNOV, got you. Oh, you're talking about Medica Nova. Okay, I think somebody asked about this question the other day as well. Somebody asked about this company. I don't remember when it was though. The volume is like so bad on this company, but volume doesn't mean everything either, right? Arts. 51% on partnership for lung injury treatment. They have a really good price target, right? So there are medical companies. Medical companies usually have really good price targets if they have a medicine coming out, like, or they're doing clinical trials. What you would want to do with this, honestly, though, is try to get at a good price. And it looks like a good price. Like, if you go back, looks like a good price is below $5. Like, if you're going on, if I'm going back all the way to like October. It looks like around $4, $4.50 is a good price point if you get in there. Looks like it usually comes back up. You know, let's say anywhere between $5 to like $6 area. It likes to fluctuate through. So if you can get it below $5, you'll probably get some kind of fluctuations. I don't know how long it's going to be, right? So you might have to hold this for a couple weeks. You might have to hold this for like a month or so. But it looks like eventually it's probably going to come back up to like $6 area again. It'll fluctuate back up, and that's when you probably want to sell. Unless you had FDA approvals coming up soon, then you want to hold it. But I don't see anything about FDA approvals coming up soon though for anything they have. Oh my goodness, what is it? What's that? Huh? Did you look at that?
Yeah.
It might just be that virus. I don't know, but does it itch? Is your ear? I don't know. Maybe call the doctor. I don't know. See. Weird though. All right. Sorry guys. Trying to do dad stuff too. So Grayson's starting to break out now too. I'll send you guys like Cedar like broken out a lot. What's going on with XL? Yeah, yesterday XL got smacked by the downturn on the NASDAQ. That's for sure. I don't know what's happening with XL right this second though. I don't think there's any more news, was it? Scores after new electrification order. Yeah, I don't see anything new on it though. I don't see anything new. All I see right now is the Apex Clean Energy. So DJ Fleet got a new order from Apex Clean Energy. I do see that one, but other than that, I don't really see anything else. They did get a new order though, so that's good news for XL. I don't see a lot after that though. Make sure the virus will get into your setup, man. Hey, that's the thing about having kids though, man. They get everything and then they pass it to everybody. Hopefully, I don't know what it is, honestly. It's not poison ivy, nah, DJ. It's not poison ivy. It doesn't look like poison ivy either. It looks almost like a, I don't know. We thought maybe Cedar had like roseola or something like that, or like fifth disease, whatever you call it. It's just like a virus, right? It's like a virus. We thought that might be it. Headache, fatigue, sore throat. So it might be that. It might be fifth disease. But Cedar had like super red cheeks, right? You can get like a slight fever with it, like upset stomach, headaches, fatigue. Actually, I'll be right back, chat. Be right back. Ah. All right, I'm back. I'm back. So dad life's crazy, man. Dad life me crazy. AMC puts to the moon? Nah, Leroy, you can't do that, bro. Don't you buy puts, man. Don't you do it. Was dad living it for a minute? Huh? I think that's what it is. Though. I think they have that what they call fifth disease, like Ethereum in something. It's a weird name, the doctor name. But it comes like rashes on their cheeks and stuff like that, which is what they have, right? They haven't had fevers, thank goodness. So. More institutional investors are buying AMC like GME so they can hold for the long play and loan to shares to hedge funds for short play. I mean, that could happen. Yeah, that could happen. Like, them make money off of it. I don't think all of them are doing that, though. That could definitely happen. But I don't think all of them will be doing that. What a cheap stock I'm buying right now. I mean, for long-term plays, I mean, if you're looking for stocks under $10, there's quite a few stocks under $10 right now. Whether that be like something like Candy or XL Fleet or Canoe or, you know, there's a lot of long-term plays, man. Under $10. There's a couple. How's Ears doing? There was a good stock earlier that was pushing. Ears was earlier. Coming way back down now though. Ears having that sell-off, but they went from what $3 all the way up to $4.38. So. Yo, what's up, Andrew? What up, brother? Hope you're doing well, man. Hope it can show up as rash on kids. Yeah, I hope it's not that either, Christopher. But we're gonna make sure anyway, man, because my uncle and my two cousins, my two little cousins, all have COVID as well. So they were in direct contact, but my aunt was over at my grandmother's house one day. So technically there was but my aunt, again, she's been vaccinated and she works at a hospital too. So we're not really around them very much, but we were down there one day I was grabbing something, trying to help my mom do something real quick. So, you know, technically there could have been a crossover there. But I don't think it's that, but I mean, it's always good. They did go to the dentist too, so they had to go to the dentist as well. So I guess there's areas where they could have got something, right? I'm going to guess it's more fifth disease, though, than anything. But again, I guess it's good to get it checked out just to make sure. Switch my Nicole's calling a doctor just to make sure. But I guess there is a chance, but I don't think it's that. I think it's fifth disease, but there's definitely a chance. It's like, of course, the one time we go somewhere out of going nowhere ever. I know that, Christopher. I know that, man. Obviously. You can still have it and not do it. But she also gets like the PCR test every day at the hospital. So, and she hasn't got it yet. Like, it hasn't come back positive yet, obviously. So, you know, but she does live at home, you know what I'm saying, with my uncle and my two little cousins. So she hasn't got sick yet. But again, there's a lot that could go on there. The reason why I told her it's better to safe than sorry to call, just to make sure. I don't think it's that, because I've had the pandemic virus before already, and it's not good to have. Believe me, I was sick for a whole 6 weeks with it. Not fun. I don't want that again. Don't want that, Christopher. Don't want it again. Not again. Thankfully, not everybody gets super sick with it. Thank goodness. If it did, man, that'd be nuts. Could I bit my tick? Well, both of them have been sick, though. You know what I'm saying, Richard? So I don't think it's that. I don't think it's that. Both of them, like Cedar got like the super red cheeks rash, right? Like last week. What is it? They gonna come out there and swab them? Okay. Okay. You mean to do what? What time is it? Oh. No, it's fine. It's fine. You don't need to take her to the doctor anyway. I'd rather not go. Obviously. I mean, if I had to, I just have to get off. I mean, at the end of the day, it's not that about it. Yeah, I know, but I mean, It's fine. If it all comes to worse, it'll be fine, and I can do when you get back. I can do the Patreon stream right as soon as you get back. It's not the end of the world. I can keep Navy. It's not. Dad life comes first. You need to put screws in your door and trap yourself in your room. Do 24-hour YouTube video. Yo, Christopher, I can't do that. Are we gonna have to do a reversal? Maybe. The doctor's appointment's at 11. I'm gonna have to keep Navy. So I'm gonna have to wait until Nicole gets home to do Patreon stream. So the good thing, the doctor's office isn't like super far away, but I don't know how long the doctor's visit's gonna take, right? Or any of those things. Your wife's boyfriend should help out, dude. I know he's at work though, Kevin. He's at work, man. I gave him a kiss this morning, dude. Hopefully I'm not sick too. You know what I mean? Like me and my wife's boyfriend are very good friends, man. Again, he usually lets me sleep on the floor right beside him. You know? He usually lets me sleep right on the floor right beside him, man. Sometimes we hold hands at night, too. I'm like this at night. Holding hands. So. Yeah. Pretty good. Oh, man. Oh, is BIOL going up, too? I kid around too much, chat. You know, don't take me serious. Do not take me serious, man. For the love of God. It is going, isn't it? You imagine if somebody actually took me serious. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. I just feel like life's better when you don't take it so serious like that. You know what I mean? I'd much rather have fun. Seriously, it's really his life's growth. I mean, I wish it was that way, though, Rich. Wait for the COVID test. Watch AMC go down. No, it's fine. Just you need to go. Okay, I know. Like I said, you won't be gone that long anyway, so I'd be fine. I can probably do the Patreon stream at like 1. So, because you're gonna go 11. Yeah. So chat, you guys that are in Patreon, we're gonna do Patreon stream at like 1. I'm gonna have to change Patreon from 11 to 1, by the way. Just so you guys know. And Nicole's gonna have to take the boys to the doctor to get swabbed and all that good stuff. And to make sure it's not something else, too. So, just so everybody knows, man. I got a dad life sometimes, so. I'm sorry. I appreciate everybody, though. Change of plans. On the fly. But if you're in Patreon, we'll be doing Patreon stream at 1. If anybody wants to join Patreon, you can do so right here. Instead of 11. We're going to do Patreon stream around 11. After J... Well, he should be over by 1. I would hope he's over by 1. I don't see why he wouldn't be. There's no way he talks that long. I figured probably like a 20-minute talk. I figured he'd do like a 20-minute talk or something like that. That's what I'm guessing. He might talk longer, obviously, right, too. I mean, he has before. Patreon's a place where you can, like, I guess, like, become like a sub and get extra content outside of YouTube and get like help if you want help. Like, I have a one-on-one section. If you guys join the one-on-one section, you guys message me on Discord and tell me like when you guys want that one-on-one session stuff. Again, stuff like that. And that way we can work out times and things like that. There's a one-on-one section. We also have, the private live streams as well. Other stuff like that. I haven't been doing the buys right now because obviously the market being weird is all get out. Like buy signals and stuff like that. But I will be getting into those as soon as we get out of this lull period in the market. It looks like we're starting to come out of that right now, the last few days. Even though some stocks are definitely still buys, like way under buy value. There's definitely a lot of areas I can stop doing anything tech right now. I would not do, right, in terms of like a buy thing right this second. Though I do think tech's really well. I think it has lots of room to go. I just don't know if tech's going to go down a little bit more or if it's going to go up again right this minute. It all depends on like how everything goes in this next week or two. AMC will squeeze tomorrow afternoon. Guys, Leroy and Sling Blade are trolls. Okay, it's okay. Nobody knows when AMC's gonna squeeze. So it could be tomorrow. It could be like, right. You can make a good guess, right? It could be a month from now. Who knows? Nobody knows. Oh no, I don't want to buy a option. I did the wrong button key right there. There's definitely a reversal going on right now, though. Weed plays are coming back up. GME looks like it's found its bottom down here. Hit that 173.91. It looks like it's kind of starting to come back up. Maybe the same thing with AMC. We just had a little bit more volume in AMC, man. Just a wee bit. Do you have a crystal ball? Yeah, bro. I need to get a crystal ball. The fake crystal ball, and I can look into it. What's happening with EBON? Is it rising back up? It's EBON plays on well, no, it's still down some, right? EBON usually plays on crypto. So usually when crypto is going up, usually EBON is right behind it. Not like the same day. Usually like a day behind or so. The reason why I said usually when crypto goes up and EBON is like around a good price, like maybe $4.50 to $5 area. That's usually like when I like to get in, somewhere in there. Then you can write it up usually to like $6, $7, $8 a share. And that would all depend usually on crypto stuff. Let's start doing something else. Announces closing a follow-on public offering for its client eBank. Ooh, that might be what it is then. So I'm guessing EBON right now is doing a 14 million shares at $6.10 or $85.4 million. So that's why EBON's probably coming down a little bit right now. It says Univest Securities LLC announces closing a follow-on public offering for its client eBank. So, which is EBON, right? That might be why EBON right now is kind of like down a little bit when Bitcoin's up a little bit right now. It's not a ton of offering, right? So it's not like it's gonna like affect it like crazy amounts. That's probably what it is, though. There's a lot of companies, man. Usually in the spring, a lot of companies like to do offerings. So I think that's why you're seeing a lot of companies doing offerings right now. They're usually short-term noise, though. Offerings are usually after like a little bit, the offerings kind of become redundant, and the stock price goes back to where it should be. Any stock I've ever been in, right? Like Neo's done offerings a couple times, right? Like 5% dilution here, 2 or 3% there, right? Of offerings. Usually it takes a small hit for a little bit, and then it goes right back up. Usually springtime's when a lot of companies like doing that. AMC's mooning. Oh, totally, dude. Oh, man. Let's talk about those call options. I mean, if you're buying call options, make sure you're buying like 3 to 4 weeks out at least on call options. Don't buy next week call options. You don't know. Right now, with the market being so finicky, I would not buy short-term call options. I would at least go a month out. I'm going to post this in the Patreon Discord, by the way, as well. If you guys are Patreons, make sure you guys connect your Discord to Patreon. I posted in the Patreon Discord as well. I bought 5 more shares of AMC. All my cousins, sisters, moms would let me buy. Hey, 5 more shares, 5 more shares. That's right, Leroy. Bought Canoe options 3 weeks ago, the day before it died. Oh, that stinks, Mark. Oh, God. How long out, though, Mark? Did you buy far out, though, at least? That's the bad thing, man, right now, dude. It's like, the market's so finicky, man. Like, usually on, like, a good market, like, Canoe maybe would have lost, like, let's say maybe would have went down, like, maybe 5% on a good market. But the market being so finicky, man, it dropped a ton, though. Dropped a ton, man. I mean, look at what happened to RMO, dude. Like, literally all RMO did was just say that there was a fuel cell shortage, which everybody knew this. And it plummeted. Right? And it plummeted it. Ah. Oh, it's next week. Oh, God. Yeah, it's not good. That isn't good. That's for sure. I mean, hopefully, man, we get some crazy good news on Canoe. And maybe you'll go up like a bad man. I don't know how much those call options cost either at that point, but like if I was going to buy call options on Canoe, I'd probably buy like November or January 2022 call options. Give myself, you know, a good while, at least August, but I think I would be more like a November, January 2022 area for call options on Canoe. Like 1250 call options for either one of those would probably be pretty good. I don't know how much it would be by then, but I mean, I definitely think you would probably, by that point, you'd probably hit that break even of $14. Look, what's the call on 1250 over here? So yeah, break even's like what, $15 on January 2022. So you probably playing tinnies on that one. Yeah, those short-term call options right now with where the market is, man, those are scary, dude. I don't think I could do it. I don't think I could do that, honestly. My cojones just aren't big enough, man. The way the market's being. Me cojones just aren't big enough. My cojones not big. And AMC hit 11 tomorrow. I mean, at this point, if we got some good news on AMC, like something, like anything, man. AMC is a very like a news-driven stock. We have no news. Literally, the volume is terrible. No news, terrible volume. We just need some kind of news, man. Something. If we get another good buy price, like you know what I'm saying, like another analyst comes out and says like a $12 buy price or a $13 buy price, kind of like B. Riley's did. Or if we just had some good movie news, right? Like, oh man, this stock would jump. I'm telling you, probably like $11 again. 11, 12 bucks. Like it does that every time. But the way it is right now, I don't know. I think it all depends on if we got volume tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, so hopefully we have some better volume tomorrow on Friday. But man, it's been rough, man. It's been rough for it. I feel like I'm in an abusive relationship with CCIV. He will change. He's just stressed right now, Mom. He doesn't mean it. Yo, Mike, I'm done, dude. Oh Lord. Yo, Mike, thanks so much for the $5, man. You, sir, are an amazing person. I love your face. CCIV, man, it's a good stock. It's a good stock, dude. It's gonna do us well. CCIV is gonna do us well. Don't worry. Just giving us lots of buy opportunities, man, at a low price before it ratchets up and goes high, man. It's the way I view CCIV. Good stock at a good price right now. It's okay. If we were in a more healthier market, I think CCIV would be about $30. About $30 on CCIV on a healthier market. But, you know, as it stands right now, you know, obviously it's not the healthiest market in the world. There's not a lot you can do about that. So all you can do, man, is hang on to your coattails, brother. we started getting back to that point where people were kind of getting comfortable with the market, and we got, CCIV went up all the way to $32.95, right? It went all the way up to $32.95. Now it's back. It's just back on the 16th, not that long ago. 3 weeks ago, man. 3 weeks ago. And then it came all the way back down to $21.02, and now we're back up though a little bit at least. So we could be back down to 21 bucks. It's something to be thankful for there. For now, man, it's just ride it out, I guess. Once they start selling cars in July, though, woo! Mara, lovely Mara. Mara on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all? Yeah, Mara did really well this morning. From 47 bucks all the way up to 52. Came down since then, right, to 50, 41, but... I had a pretty good run this morning. Let's look at markets, so top gainers. See if there's any Velocity did really well this morning, didn't it? Very Velocity. What kind of news do they have anyway? Oh, okay, so they beat Q3 estimates. Got it. My ORBC getting bought out. Just closed out of my 150 shares for 84% gain. Yo, let's go, baby. Let's go, big. Good stuff, man. Congrats, brother. Congrats, man. Who had OnlyFans here? Me. Me. One thing that also hurts CCIV right now, obviously, is that it doesn't have its own ticker, Lucid, yet. Once it gets its ticker, Lucid, that would definitely help it out as well. The same thing with, like, SNPR, right? Like, right now, you can buy those stocks very cheap, right? You can buy SNPR, chat. I'm over here talking about Velocity now. Got my brain going. Volta. Velocity and Volta, which is Volta, right? Charging. Oh, you can buy it for $10 right now because it's, I think if it had its own ticker, it would be like, at least 15, 16. But it seems like SPACs right now are kind of getting hit harder than other areas. Unless it's a brand new SPAC. Seems like it's definitely getting hit harder than others. It's your heckin' birthday. Yo, Joe, bro. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joe, bro. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, happy birthday, though, Joe. Good stuff, man. How old are you now? Like 52, 53, or what, man? What you got going on here? Yeah, happy birthday, though, brother. Happy birthday. Leroy Jenkins. How many shares? That's not illegal to ask, not Jace. I have 1,200 shares of AMC, man. It's not illegal to ask that. The only thing that's really kind of illegal, man, and some of that is like if I'm pushing AMC and saying it's going to squeeze without saying, look, it might not squeeze, right? Like that right there would be kind of illegal to do. Or if I was like telling you guys when to get in and out of a play, without being a financial advisor, that would be kind of illegal, right? Now, if I was a financial advisor and you guys were paying me, lots of money to tell you guys when to get in and out of plays, that wouldn't be so illegal. But if you're doing a live stream, man, and not being a financial advisor and just throwing out like when to get in and get out of plays, it's not very legal. I can tell you guys certain stuff, man, but it's definitely not good to do those kind of things, right? But asking somebody how many shares they have in a company is definitely not illegal, man. That'd not be illegal. That'd be illegal, man. A lot of people would be in trouble. I'm a doctor, not a financial advisor. Oh, you're 19 now. Yo, nice, Joe, bro. Dude, I remember I was 19, bro. Remember I was 19, bringing all the chicks home, man. Those were the days. Those were the days. I wish I was 19 again, honestly. Those were a good day. I wish I would have started doing stocks when I was 19. Instead of waiting till I was, 22. And really waiting, and honestly though, like in terms of like big stock time until I was 24. I turned 32 this month. My birthday's this month too, so I turned 32 this month. Getting old, chat, falling apart. April 24th, man. My birthday comes up. Yuck. That's a good time to start, though, Joe. It's a good time to start, man. Honestly, I mean, I wish I'd have went more hardcore at 22 with it. Not hardcore, you know what I'm saying? Like, been more serious about it, right? I just became like just an investor at that point, right? In terms of stock market, I would just put money in. I didn't really like follow it like crazy until I almost was like 20. I was around like 24 when I started doing it like a lot more. Oh, the older I've gotten, though, the more I've even done it more and more. Especially this past 5 years, I've done it a ton. Dang, boy, you old. I am old, dude. I'm falling apart. Super old. Probably don't look that old. If I shave my beard, I look like I'm like 17 again, honestly. I'm not young. I'm a youngster, boys, over here. I'm at that stage in life where you wake up and your bones are like... You're like, yep, I'm getting old. It's all those years of skateboarding, though, man. All the years of skateboarding, you know. Skated from when I was like from like the age of like 10 all the way, you know, into my 20s. So, you know, all those years of falling and breaking bones. Jumping down stair sets, handrails, and all the other fun stuff that was involved in that. They were fun. Probably didn't do my body any good, though. I'd go back and do it again. How much can you sell it for? I don't know. I can find it. I never sold it, man. You could probably do that in the same day, though, Leroy. Go hit up like a plasma donation. So you could sell like you can sell that and then go hit your plasma as well. Sorry, okay, no pass. Yeah, I still do it. I'm just more of a what do you want to call it, man? I'm more of a sidewalk surfer. Go, bro, nowadays, man. Now, when you get my age and you start falling, it hurts a lot. So, I mean, I can still do some like some tricks though. Like, you know, I can still do some kick flips, things like that. But I'm definitely not going crazy with it. I could probably still do a 360 kick flip or something like that too. I haven't done one of those in like a year or so or two, maybe now. Probably still do one though. I mean, it's not the hardest trick in the world, right? But my luck, I'll land primo and kill myself. Like the words when you land primo, man. You guys at skate know what I'm talking about. It's the worst. It's like you break like 6 bones. Right in the middle of your foot. Then you also smack your butt on the ground too. The inverted donkey kick, brother. Yeah. I actually know people that do plasma. It's probably on the 3D Ghost Guns, Dubby. I'm going to guess it's probably what it's on. Because they've been working on a Ghost Gun law for a while now. I'm guessing that might be what it's on. I don't know, though, honestly. What the heck, man? Some of these companies, man, on the daily, like, ups, man, are ridiculous right now. Star Peak Energy coming down as well. Dubby. I don't know, man. People have been saying that since forever ago. I doubt that. It's probably on Ghost Guns. AKA 3D printed guns, man. 3D printed guns. Probably what it's about. They've been talking about it for a while, so. What I would guess. If anything. But I'm not gonna worry about that kind of stuff anyways. I don't really pay attention to it, honestly. If I see I like price I like, I strike it, baby. Yeah, I mean, obviously you should make your own prices, man, and then, you know, hit those prices as well. My mom won't let me anymore. Yo, Leroy, tell your mom I love her. Is it possible to transfer your live channels to OnlyFans or ChatterBait? I could do that, Amit. I could do that. I mean, you hit me up at the right price. You know, you probably even get you maybe like a you know, a private stream. Honestly, bring up Tiger right here. Guessing this is a spacker. Convertible notes. They beat their revenues by 3%. Strong prices for stocks expected quarterly. Let's go. Initiates cover up for fintech holding at outperform rating $30.60. It's got a big target, doesn't it? Damn. $30.60 target price on fintech holding Tiger right there. Dang. Dang, brother. I pay to watch stock advice on a porn platform as long as you're not restricted on info. But it depends on it. Again, I'd have to be a financial advisor for you to give you tell you when you're getting in and out of stocks, right? Again, I can tell good buys, but I can't tell you I can't tell you guys to get in and out of positions unless I was your financial advisor and you were paying me, good money to do that, right? There's rules on those situations. I'm not trying to get bopped. Buy Pog, dude. I would buy Pog all day long, Rich. 100%. If you guys have it, make sure you guys smack the like button. But if you guys aren't, also make sure you guys hit the sub button as well. It'll be hecka nice, man. Hecka nice. Also, if you guys got 2 free stocks with Webull, sign up right there at Webull, man. Get 2 free stocks worth of $1,800, man. Free money. Free money, man. Do it. What is happening with AMC and GME? Did some new rules come out? There was the OCC rule yesterday that came out. And there's also, obviously, got the new NSCC rules coming out as well. And the NTCC. There's a lot of rules, right? A lot of rules coming out. Right now, what's happening to AMC is volume. Right? There's nothing in there. We've had no new news stories either. You know what I mean? With AMD. We've had no really new news stories, which doesn't help. Doesn't help. And then also we had Loop Capital, which kind of went in, man, and wrote a hit piece about AMC and things like that. So that probably didn't help it either. It also gave them a $1 target price. Yeah, that probably didn't help either, right? I covered that yesterday. A lot of people actually take Loop's advice. So they're pretty looked up to place. Maybe some bigger investors maybe pulled out yesterday a little bit on AMC. But also, they did get a $13 price target as well. So you got a $1 price target from them. But you also got B. Riley, which is another looked up to firm. And they gave them a $13 price target. So you have a lot of mixed information going on. We haven't had any big news ever since, we had the news about King Kong selling really good, which was right here, right? The King Kong news came out on the weekend that it sold really good, obviously. And you had these big news catalysts that pushes you up. Since then, we haven't really had any good news catalysts, right? We had the B. Riley give them a $15 or $13 price target over here as well. So that probably helped right there as well. But since then, we haven't had any good news. So you've kind of seen this slump on AMC again. AMC is a very news-driven stock. Without news, man, it seems like volume's always down on AMC without news. And we've just been, you know what I mean? Sideways, downward, barely downward trading on it. I mean, there's other stocks that are doing very well right now, though, right? I mean, it definitely seems like we hit the bottom, though, of 960. So we bounced off this bottom at 960, so hopefully that's as low as we go in the day, and we kind of just fade up a little bit. That'd be nice. We need to get some volume going. The king of all stocks, man, is buy volume. And right now, buy volume and volume overall is very low. And also on GME, GME definitely hit their low right here too of 173, so hopefully they don't test that again. You have to leave? All right. All right, what's she doing? What the heck? Barbecue chips. It doesn't matter. Like I said, it could have been a false claim on his channel. That's what I was saying earlier, man. It could be so many things. That's the reason why I said I'm not going to speculate on somebody's channel. Again, I don't watch Matt. I've never watched his channel before, so I don't know. The reason why when people are asking me, I'm like, I don't know, man. Maybe if he was doing coordinated stuff, I don't know about that things though. So mine would be very speculative answers on that one. Didn't violate rules. Prior to this, I haven't even received a stray. So yeah, it's probably I'm guessing it's a false claim then or something. Could be fake news. Unfortunately, the rumors are true. Well, yeah, obviously. Wait a second. YouTube has Brandon McNair. Oh, there's another guy got. Maybe there's a lot of false copyrights going on. Maybe that's what it is? That could be true too. I'm not 100% for certain though. Good, Nene. Here with Daddy sitting now. Hey, okay. Oh, goodness. Can you say hello, everybody? And yeah, that's why I don't want to speculate, because there's going to be so many things that could happen, right? Like, your YouTube could get literally just bought because of that. Yo, Leroy, thank you so much for the $2. Appreciate you, fam. I mean, it could be it's a false claim. Yeah, it could be a lot of things. That's the reason why I don't like speculating. You know what I mean? I don't like speculating. I haven't watched his channel before, right? So I wouldn't know what happened there. So if it's a false claim, his channel will be back anyway. What are you eating? Some chips? These are good chips, huh, Nene? You smell like a barbecue chip. Your hair is everywhere too this morning. Ooh. Your hair is everywhere this morning, Nene. Goodness. He's like, what's going on? Made it too easy. Yeah, that's one reason why too, Tyler. YouTube, you can literally, like, Tyler, could go like, you could go put a copyright on somebody's channel. You know what I mean? And copyright something like really quick. It'll get taken down, obviously, eventually, right? Like the copyright will eventually get fixed. But the rules are so easy, man, to manipulate that it's kind of silly. Yo, thanks, Alfredo. Thanks, man. No, it does. Yeah, admit. Again, like, it really does, man. Kids make everything better in life, honestly. Unless you just don't like kids, then, you know, that's okay too. I mean, kids definitely brought my life. What are you doing? Oh, you had a chip in your shirt. You hiding it there? Okay. You hiding the chip in your shirt, Nene? Billy Goober. You got a well on your shirt? Oh my goodness. There's a well on your shirt? That is just crazy. Yo, what's up, Richardson? Oh, you're doing well, man. 100% nothing like their unconditional love. Exactly. That way I can return them. There you go, Rich. So there you go. Yeah, see, his channel's back. It was probably just a false, you know, copyright claim. Honestly, they took his channel down. Sure. Because anybody, like literally, like anybody could go put a copyright chain. You gotta chew chips before you swallow them, goober. You gotta chew those chips. But anything can bring a channel down very easily. How's your toes so cold? So warm in here, Navy. Ow. Thoughts on your buy above. Edward, which buy? Please tell me if I did something super silly. I have a chance. Just bought a 5 contracts at a $10 strike for 15 cents. On which stock, Richard or Edward? Which stock, man? Come on. What are you doing? Yeah, I got 3 kids, so. I'll be right back, chat. I think she wants more chips. All right. Here, big. Here, Benny. Yo, big. I said good, man. Did you talk about it earlier? Looks like a kid falling asleep drawing of a red crayon. Yeah, you know, sometimes that happens. My portfolio is doing a little bit better today. We have Neo up. Neo's up very good. Trying to get back to 40 bucks. Tiger right here is going up a lot too today. Up 11%. You know, Neo's up that. Where's XP at? Obviously, Tesla, you know, Tesla definitely hurts a little bit sometimes as well for me. A lot, really. It's my top holding. So XP's coming back up as well. So that's good, man. You know, so my portfolio is doing a lot better. I mean, Neo, XP, and Tesla are in my top 5 stocks holdings, so, you know. Probably not a good idea, though, to do, man. How do I go about finding stocks? I like to look in sectors that I like to buy in, like especially right now, like with like EV and alternative energies and things like that. And then find good companies, man, that have a that were in certain like PE or EP or future EPS numbers that are very favorable for growth, and find those companies that have the best, you know, growth potential in that area, right? That's how I kind of got into like Neo and XP, and obviously I did Tesla first, right? And that's how I got into some of the fintech companies and other companies as well. Oh, you back? Ooh. What did you do? Oh my goodness, you got dirty hands. That'll wipe on my shirt. That doesn't care. Ugh. Nasty. High five. Thank you. You're such a good girl. What? What is that? Oh. Goodness. Come in, man. She's like, what's up? I got her right now, so I'll probably get off for too long, by the way, guys. And I'll also have our Patreon stream once Nicole gets back. She had to take the kids to go get swabbed, man, to make sure they don't have the good old C word, and to see if it's just like fifth disease or something like that. Which hopefully that's what it is. Hopefully that's what it is. You can find like you're talking about like what they're paying in interest. You can go to like iBorrowDesk. So you can go to like iBorrowDesk, stuff like that. If you guys want to, you guys can join the Patreon there. We have a Patreon stream around 1 p.m. So like about 2 hours from now. So as soon as Nicole gets back, I'll go live with that. And make sure if you guys are in Patreon, make sure you guys link your Discord to Patreon. That way you guys can see the Patreon stocks part of Discord. Because I'll post when we're live there as well. And I'll post the private stream link as well there. Bring me everything, chat. Bring me your bowl. Sometimes, yeah, Brennan. Sometimes I will be doing that, yes. Sometimes I will be doing it. Unless it was like a big day, obviously. Like, then I would do, you know, full streams for sure the whole day. I'm going to start to try to have, like, morning streams. So I'll probably be getting on earlier than the day. And then having, like, 2 hours to do, like, a video. And things like that. And then I'll get on for afternoon stream as well. And then usually like once a week or so we'll have a Patreon live stream as well, which is instead of a video. That way I can try to have, you know, the 2 streams plus the 2 videos a day. The better management time in certain stuff. C-Bones, that's not always the case though, man. Not always the case, man. I had a friend in high school whose kid had COVID, and they were in the hospital for 2 weeks with it. So he's a 5-year-old kid. So spreading disinformation is kind of silly to do that, man. So let's not do that. Let's not do that one, man. Alex, nothing happened to him. He's back now. I wouldn't worry about it too much. Good job. But you're right there though, Bones. Like, not everybody gets it bad, which is good, right? Everybody gets it bad, man. But again, I don't want to spread misinformation though either. Too much misinformation going around. You could get it bad, you might not. I mean, it's just how the virus works, and you know, it's kind of like, you know, it's kind of like with any other virus, man. Could affect somebody else worse than it does somebody else. Why is SNPR just traveling level for days? I don't know, Mark. The funny thing is, if you look at cllii, Mark, if you look up cllii, which is another charging company, another SPAC charging company, they actually have less growth than SNPR, which is Volta. And if you look at that outlooks too, they have way less growth than the outlooks, and they're actually trading higher. That's the reason why I said this market's weird. What? You're trying to feed me your chips. They good chips? Yeah, Navy and stock segment. Yeah, I think at this point maybe, yeah. Probably should. He's just over here just chugging, bro. Chugging. She's like, hey, she's like, wait a minute, maybe he wants to chip. Let's take it back out real quick. Kids are funny, dude. Kids are funny. Is that good? Oh, so it is good. Okay, got you. Daddy got you. Why are you so goofy for? Why are you so goofy? All right, man. Let's see. What time is it? Nothing happened to Matt. I guess he's back. Somebody said he was back, so I don't know. My guess is he probably had like a false copyright on his channel and got taken down, maybe something like that, and then it got, you know, obviously came out that was a, you know, fake copyright or something like that, and it came back. Either that, or maybe it violated something, and they gave him the reason why. And he just can't say the reason why. You know what I mean? Something like that could have happened too. I really don't know, and I would be speculating. So That'd be my better guesses. That would be my best guess, honestly, on that end. But again, I really don't know. What her doing? So yeah, he is. Yeah, his channel's back though, so it's probably a false copyright claim or something. I would guess. Leader values something or somebody every day. Dude, I don't know. Like I said, mine would be speculating. That'd be my two biggest guesses and like the two ones I would come up with. But again, I would really not know. Yo, if you guys have it, make sure you guys hit the like button below. It'd be super nice. I definitely appreciate it. We've had a lot more hedge funds in here today. That's for sure. Feels bad, man. What is it? What you doing? Oh God, you just punched Daddy in the eyeball. You punched me. No, you're welcome, Derek. You're welcome, brother. Why is AMC trading like a bar? Because the volume's very low right now. Like, the volume today is at 15 million pretty much, which is very low for AMC. Usually when the volume goes low, we just kind of sideways trade. What is that? Ugh. All right, chat. I'm probably going to hop off, though, man. I'm going to hop off, chat. I'll be on later, though. I'll be on later. Also, if you guys are in Patreon, remember we have the Patreon stream today around 1 p.m. We have a Patreon stream around 1 p.m. though. I'm gonna go be crazy with Navy for a little bit, I guess, until Nicole gets back. I love you. High five. Thank you. He's not banned anymore, Nicholas. He's not banned anymore, man. It's all good. All right, chat. I'm gonna go chill with Nene. And then when Nicole gets back, we'll have Patreon stream. If you guys want to join the Patreon, make sure you guys link your Patreon though to the Discord or Discord to Patreon. Hang on, we're gonna go in there and play. Chill. But I appreciate everybody here. I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys in Patreon at 1 p.m. Yeah, I might do another afternoon stream on here as well. This depends on like what time we get done with everything. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh my God. You gotta chew your chips.